So a while ago I had a bit of an issue. I didn't really feel like I could make a flush 4x4 door. I didn't really want to have the simple 2x2 hidden door. So I wanted a 2x4. I couldn't find a video on how to do it. So I ended up making this version here. Ended up pretty compact and quite easy to build. I'll show you it now. You just open it up like that. You go on through, press this button on the back, and then it closes back up. The buttons work perfectly together. You can press them in any order and they still work the same way. And as you can see, it's quite a neat little compact design. Fits in a 4 wide by 12 and however high that is. So I'm going to show you how to build this. You want to start off with a 4 wide by 12 long area. So I'm going to start with the back input here. You want to run the input like this, out 1 block here, 2 blocks here, up 2, and up another one, just like that. 3 along, up 1. On these 2 blocks, put redstone torches, just like that, and just run it like this. And this is where the entrance will be, going along just like this here. Place a button right here, and place another input button right there. So now you want to come to the front of it, and then you get on the edge of this block here, place 3 pistons going along, build that up 4 blocks high, just like this. You want to do a line of observers on the back here, followed by a line of pistons, and then the block at the end. After that, you do the exact same on the other side. Do 3 pistons, going up 4 blocks high. And then you want to do a line of observers, pistons, and then blocks. If I were you, I may fill in those 2 blocks there. You'll see in a bit. Now, what you would like to do is come over here on top of this torch, place a redstone torch like this, block on top of that, build out just like this here, redstone just like that, and then the repeaters on the end of those pistons. Then what you would like to do is come next to this torch, block up like that, repeater, piston with a block on top of that, another repeater set to 3 ticks, 2 blocks like that, and then redstone on each of those blocks. Do the same on the other side, block on top of the redstone torch, block like that, with the redstone torch on top of that, 2 blocks out, with the redstone like that, the repeaters, a few more blocks. And then the repeaters like that, and make sure there's redstone on top of that torch. Build out like this with a repeater, so going into a piston making a monostable circuit, into another repeater set on 3 ticks, 2 blocks with redstone on each. And that there is the entire system finished. Just like that. You go ahead and hit this button. We'll put this button over here. Yeah, it still works, but works a bit better like this. Hit the button again, and it retracts perfectly. Go on through, hit this back button here. Works absolutely flawlessly. So, thank you for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I guess I will see you in the next video. See ya!